Hey guys, for this video we're going to go ahead and work with a calculation or an equation rather that will give you a percentage based on input in Excel 2019. So what we have here is we have a basic income goals of 2020. Let's say we have a 9-to-5 job and we are currently making $50,000 a year. Our goal is to make $75,000 a year. How close are we to the goal? So to figure this out, it's pretty simple. All we're going to do is click on where we want the result. We hit enter. That starts the equation. And we're going to use the amount we're currently making divided by our goal, which would represent 100%. Hit enter. It's going to give us a number, something like this. And if you're making more than your goal, it's going to be over 1. 1 would be 100%. Now this isn't very helpful here, being in decimal format, so we're going to change it to percentage. Right up here, we're going to click on percent style. So this would be making 341%. 50,000 would make 67%. 75,000 is 100%. 37,500 would be 50%. So you can see our calculation is working just fine. That's about it for this video, guys. Enjoy your day. We make these videos for you guys, so if you enjoyed it, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for us and let us know we're doing a good job. If you hated it, give us a thumbs down. If you loved it, give us a thumbs up. I appreciate it.